Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Apple AirPods Pro 3. So I got this from Target on sale for $179.99, $179.99 from Target. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking these AirPods out, but before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here's the presentation for the Apple AirPods Pro 3. Here are what the AirPods look like. A really clean presentation from Apple. Let's go ahead and take a look on the sides of the box. Here it just says AirPods Pro. Here we have the Apple logo. Same on the other side. And yeah. So here we have AirPods Pro 3, and here are the model numbers, designed by Apple in California, product of Vietnam. And let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So the back side of the box, here it says AirPods Pro 3, wireless headphones with charging case. It includes 5 ear tip sizes. This is compatible with USB-C, Apple Watch MagSafe, and Qi certified chargers. USB-C cable sold separately. Here we have the warning labels and some other legal information. And yeah, so that is all it is to the back side of the box. And with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the Apple AirPods Pro 3. So we'll be unboxing from the bottom side of the box, that is. And here it doesn't come with a plastic shrink wrap anymore. All we have is just to pull on these pull tabs. So Apple is going for an eco-friendly approach, never using the plastic shrink wrap that they used to do in their products. Now it's just a pull tabs, which I really don't mind. And yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox the Apple AirPods Pro 3. All I have to do is lift up the top part of the box. And there you go. So we are greeted by this message designed by Apple in California, and we all know where it is made from. And let's go ahead and remove this compartment out of the box. And here you can see your AirPods Pro 3. So here are your reading materials for your AirPods Pro 3. This has crucial information on how to set up and use your AirPods Pro. Here is step 1. You scroll down to access your control panel. And step 2, to pair this, you would place the AirPods close to your phone. And here is your sizes and how you would access your noise control and get access to conversation awareness. And this does track your heart rate while you are working out. And you can scan to learn more in the AirPods user guide by scanning this QR code. So yeah, so from how to set it up, this does come with 5 different ear tips. And yeah, so really informative. And here's the back side of the user guide. And here there are 3 ways to charge it. You can use your MagSafe, your Apple Watch charger, or your USB-C. Here you would this is where you would double tap with case open to connect to other devices. So this is where you how you would pair it. Here you can press and hold to switch between listening modes. And here this is how you would access your shortcuts. And yeah, so lots of information in the user guide. And here's all the other reading materials, such as your legal information and compliance, and your warranty, yeah. So it comes with a 1-year limited warranty, and you can read all about it. So that is all for that compartment. No Apple stickers, unfortunately. And here are the AirPods Pro 3 in its case. And here are your ear tips, and that is what you'll get in the box. So no USB-C cable or a charging adapter. Here is a closer look at the ear tips. Comes with 5 different sizes, and the size, the default size is on the earbuds, which is medium. And yeah, so pretty cool presentation, pretty simple presentation from Apple. And let's go ahead and take a look at these AirPods. So it only comes in white design. I really wish Apple could release it in black or different types of colors. And here's the back side, is where you would charge it. Here you have this designed by Apple in California, assembled in Vietnam. Here's your USB-C port, and here's the front side where you would double tap. Here is your USB-C port and your LED charging indicators. And let's go ahead and take out my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and let's go ahead and set this to the side next to my AirPods Pro 3 and set this up for the first time. So this is how you would pair it, and let's see if it can detect. And yeah, there it is. So really easy setup, as you can see right there, AirPods Pro. And if it's yours, you can hit that button and it is paired. So really easy pairing out of the box. So here you can, and we're going to go ahead and set these AirPods up. So after setting up, here you can see your battery levels, which is pretty cool. And let's go ahead and hear some music. So I've listened to this music, Dead, featuring Yizzy, from Apache, and this is one of my favorite music tracks here. And again, I can tell you that these AirPods are the gold standard. This is better than what I was using before, my Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. This is what it's gonna replace, and also this is much better than my Sony PlayStation earbuds. And yeah, so it really has that high sound quality and bass. So there are more things to check out. If you go to your settings and access, you can see that you have different types of features that you can play with and access. Pretty cool. And I believe this does have live translation, in which you have to set it up. So here are the designs of the Apple AirPods Pro 3. Really love the ergonomic design. It fits comfortably in my ears, depending on what type of ears that you have. The medium size fits best with me. And yeah, so that will do it for the unboxing of my Apple AirPods Pro 3. Really like these AirPods. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about these AirPods. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll definitely see you on the next one.